Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Jimmy making it work. Appreciate you guys tuning in. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to make a video about this 08 528xi BMW. I'm doing a window regulator in it, and there's not a lot of information about it. Even in being in the business, there's a lot of things I had to really dig deep to figure out on this job. So I figured I'd make a video to help you guys out. Some of the things that you'll notice, you have to take the glass out, because the bolts for the regulator are trapped behind the glass. The glass stays down this low, so you got to get the glass out. In order to do that, you got to get this channel out. You can see where this channel screws into here. You got to remove them screws to get this channel out, and to get this channel out, you got to take this piece off. This is the door surround, and it clips on with a little lip from the inside. You fold it over, and this round part, the round part on the top of the door, holds it on from there. You also have to take the belts off the door, inside and out. And once you do all that, then you can get to the special screws that hold the window in, and Torx bit socket that you need for some of the regulator and the window motor bolts. So I'm gonna go eat some lunch, and I'm gonna reassemble this, and I'll do a time lapse reassembling it for you guys, so you can see what the process, although it'll happen pretty quick. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, if you like this video, you get something from it, like and subscribe. Appreciate it, guys. Well, that's finally fixed. Thank goodness. Another quick, easy day. Everything's fixed. Might as well go home.